It's raining, cats and dogs. What does that even mean? How does rain fall from the sky? I mean, we all know what rain is, and we've all seen it. But have you ever wondered how it actually falls? I'm a science teacher, and today we're going to answer the question, how does rain fall? First, let's start with what clouds are made of, because clouds are important for making rain. Clouds are made of tiny water droplets or ice crystals. They form when water evaporates from Earth's surface and then condenses in the sky. You've probably seen clouds on a hot day when air cools down. The water vapor in it condenses into liquid, forming clouds. When these tiny water droplets or ice crystals in the clouds get too heavy, they fall to the ground. That's how we get rain, snow, sleet, or hail. But sometimes the water droplets in the clouds just sort of bump into each other and join together to make bigger droplets. As they bump into each other, they collide and one droplet joins another. Eventually, these bigger droplets become too heavy to stay in the cloud and they fall to the ground as rain.
Now, the type of precipitation we get depends on how cold it is outside. If it's warm, then the rain falls as rain.
But if it's cold, then the rain freezes into tiny ice crystals and falls as snow. Sometimes the weather is just right for making both rain and snow. So we get a little bit of both. That's called sleet. Sleet is actually really fun to play in. Have you ever played in the sleet? If the water droplets in the clouds get super cooled, they can actually turn into ice before they fall. When this happens, we get hail. Hail is just like rain, only in the form of ice. Hailstones can be really big, but they often break apart before they hit the ground. So next time it rains, look up in the sky and think about all the different forms of precipitation that could be falling from the clouds. You might even see a little bit of snow in the middle of summer. I hope you enjoyed learning about the water cycle. If you want to learn more about the water cycle and other weather phenomena, check out the whole series. And if you want to learn more about weather and climate change, there are lots of resources available. Now, go outside and enjoy the rain.